Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. Today I'm going to do a review of the Little Book of Pyrography by Lora Irish. I was sent this book quite some time back, and for some reason I just recently thought that I should do a video version of my review. Now first, let me state right up front that even though the publisher sent me the book, I do not receive any compensation for the sale of the book or for doing this review. Well, as you can see, the book was aptly named as it is little, but despite its small size, it is packed with a lot of information. Lora touches on everything you need to get started in pyrography. For example, she covers the basic differences between fixed heat and variable heat temperature control burner units. She discusses different types of wood and things to look for in the wood. Plus, she covers a wide assortment of items suitable for burning besides wood, like gourds, paper, cloth, and there are others. For each item, she provides guidelines on how to get better results, and if necessary, gives you any safety precautions that you should take. Lora has a very distinctive style of artwork. What really impressed me with the book is that she shows you how to replicate her style regardless of the type of burner you are using, even if it is an inexpensive soldering iron that doesn't have a temperature control on it. All of the work in her book is based on the use of layering to achieve gradient color. The layering might be done with lines, dots, or other simple burn strokes, but her methods are such that anyone can learn to do it in fairly short order. In fact, I think her style is much easier to learn than what I do. Another thing that impressed me with the book is how she starts out with simple, well-explained art projects that is created with nothing but lines. From that starting point, Lora introduces additional concepts to create more textures while gradually increasing the difficulty level. And to help you master each new concept, she provides additional art projects to create. Towards the end of the book, she explains how to analyze a photo and break it down by its tonal properties to aid in creating pyrography versions of the photo. This, combined with her previous exercises and techniques that she shows you, will help you with the challenges at the end of the book. The challenges are 8 patterns that include a reference photo, but no instructions. The patterns vary in complexity and give you a lot of opportunities to use the concepts presented in the book. My only slight issue with the book is that it is hardbound, and I think that makes it a little bit more difficult to photocopy the patterns that the book contains. Obviously, the publisher realized this, and they provided a link so that you can access the patterns online. I did not check this out because it required setting up an account. In conclusion, I would highly recommend this book to someone who is thinking about getting into pyrography or someone who has recently gotten into pyrography. Heck, it's a good resource if you just want to understand how Lora creates her distinctive style of artwork and maybe want to incorporate aspects of it into your own. I think the book covers a lot of basic information that touches on everything to get started in pyrography. Her pyrography exercises and techniques are very easy to understand and suitable for beginners. Plus, she provides a lot of examples to help you master her art style. I think the book is well worth the price, and I wish that I would have had a book like this when I got started in pyrography. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.